to use the SCADA system and how to hack the SCADA system from Kali Linux machine. So for this lab you will use Ubuntu as a target machine and the Kali as a hacker machine. First of all, you can start the both machines. In Ubuntu machine, you can download the MODBUS simulator by using this link. Open the terminal and just use these commands. You will also check the IP addresses of both machines by using the IP address show command. Change the that directory, and where basically already you install the simulator, so you can install and run. This is the MODBUS simulator. So you will add the new slave here and write the name, and then you can add the registers. You can add the 10 registers and you can assign the values, and then you can run the simulator, and after this you can generate the attack from Kali machine. So after running that simulator, now you will attack from the Kali Linux. You can just run the nmap and then you can find the exact machine address. So after applying the show option and the show action command, you can just apply the read actions and write actions and change the data in Modbus. Just write the register value. So I'm using the 99 and you can run again. So now you can check the register, and yeah, here you can see register 3 value is changed because the numbering is start from the 0. So that's why instead of register 2, the register 3 values are changed. So although successfully, the hacker hacked the Modbus from Kali machine and changed the register's value. Thank you very much.